Out now, yeah?
Yeah. So this is what 3rd Street is really
Yeah.
like.
So this is more like this is for real Trenchtown,
real
yeah?
Trenchtown.
Yeah.
You see what people, day-to-day activity, people moving around, getting their day-to-day dollars, doing what they want to do.
Yeah, yeah.
So you see some of the gangsters out.
Yeah.
So we're going soon at the gangsters, where the gangsters headquarters is.
They'll be happy to talk to me.
Some of them I don't sure.
We've got the local bar as well.
Yeah, they got a local bar, you see.
Do you drink at this bar?
So this me I talk about, you know what I mean? You don't know if this person is the police. You don't know who it is. And he's going to put it on his platform where everybody are going to be able to scrutinize. You know what I mean? And you'll have people on camera and all them things there. And this is not me condoning crime and violence. We just say our people need to be more, what you call it now, more defensive and protective of them own safety. And this oppressor we are tour with him, you know. See? You don't know him, he could be a CIA agent with a YouTube channel and he just come to cause mass destruction in your community and start up some problems. You know what I mean? But him use the guys of flagging to entice you and win you over. You understand? You have to be careful, Bridget. You understand?
Yeah, man.
You want to get a drink?
Yeah, man, I can.
Very quickly, we get a drink.
It's why I see the street so dead. It's a violent street. Look at it.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah. Here says a violent top spot.
So even now, in these days?
No, in these days.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear pie, but it's a violent top spot. Tourists never get hurt. It's just a gangster feud.
Okay.
If you're not a gangster, you won't involve.
Alright, so you see how the brother I make it look like him a reassure the YT man. It look like him a reassure him, right? The YT man already know that. That's why I don't want to go to the tourist resorts. He want to go into the trenches. Hence the reason why I'm in a Trenchtown. This YT man probably have been to the favelas in Brazil that is way more dangerous than Trenchtown. You know what I mean? Them probably be in Mexico. You know what I mean? In the you know what I mean, the ghetto, in the what you call it? What them call it in Mexico? Some have a name for it. They know that you are no threat to them. You never have to tell him that or reassure him that he is more a threat to you than you are to him, but you don't know that. You understand? But yeah, I do some things. A modern time now people have to leg off of that spirit. Yeah. Scrutinize everybody, not just your own people, because if a black man walk through the community where you never see it, you not go scrutinize him. You understand? But you not go scrutinize the man known for pillaging and unaliving across the earth. That is the YT man. You know what that is? That is lack of, you know what I mean? You have a lack of defense mechanism. You understand? Alright. Next thing you know, children start missing. You know, your community, young girl, underage girls start missing. You don't know how them are missing. Some YT man forward in your community record the place, know how the place look, know which child live over there, how much live over so. Because you know willing to tell them any and everything. And then who knows, this devil you think him can make a living off a YouTube channel? Them devil are probably, you know what I mean? Some human, you never know, human trafficking and all them things that they make them money off and enough of them. And I say him in particular, I don't know him. But you have to think about them things. You can't be so welcoming to everybody. You understand? You know what? You believe the lies, Say you are the worst set of people on earth, So much so that you feel the need to entertain this visitor and ensure him that he's safe. Because you think, you know what I mean, you believe the propaganda that have been spread through the media about you, that you are the most dangerous thing on earth. So now you have to reassure him that you mean him no harm. When in truth and in fact, you are speaking to the most dangerous thing on earth, and that is the YT man. You are the most kind, loving person upon the face of this earth. Compassionate. But somebody convince you that you are the worst, and that's why you have this white man a parade. As if to say, alright, some validation that, you know what I mean, see, look, you know what I mean, we're not that bad. No, you have never been bad. Black people have never been bad. See the bad there. You understand?
I won't invite. I could not come on the street if I did.
And how are the gangs organised? Is the whole of Trenchtown one gang, or are there several
No,
gangs?
several gangs. in
Okay, yeah.
Trenchtown.
And is it street on street or
No,
different?
different.
Yeah,
Each sector controlled by different people, different era,
yeah,
different leader.
yeah,
So in Trenchtown, you have different leaders, different gang members, different type of people who trying to take over
yeah,
other gangs.
yeah.
So the day-to-day life, bring out some local restaurant, make you see how them cook everything. So day-to-day life in Trenchtown is really nice, you know. It's what you really choose.
If you choose to be around gang activity, then gang
Yeah,
activity
gang
comes to you.
activity comes to you. If
But
you're
if-
not doing gang activity, it won't come to you.
Yeah.
It's what you choose.
Yeah,
So everybody know everyone here. Each one know each one.
yeah. And people know where to go, who to mix with, who
to
not.
mix with,
Yeah, I
not
got you.
to mix with. So this is one of our local hot food shop. You know.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Have a look and show you what is it like. You know.
Sweet.
They're known for fried chicken, curry goat,
Oh, I'll tell you what, I'd love some fried chicken, just like a piece.
a piece.
Yeah, you want one too?
Yeah, man. Where you want to tear her up here.
I want it from the best place, yeah.
I'll go to the best.
Yeah.
This is one of the most, may I tell you, great restaurant, you know.
I was recommended the fried chicken, yeah. 2 fried chicken,
Yeah,
please,
man.
sir.
Them man are all over the hottest restaurant in the Neddy, you know. Yeah, man.
You come here every week?
Often.
Often? More than once a week?
More than twice a week.
More than twice a day.
Yeah.
I would. Let's judge the fried chicken first. We're going to have a bit of a food review here.
So what part of the meat you like? You
I like all parts of the chicken. I like the thigh.
like Thai?
Thigh, leg, breast. I'll eat anything really. You know what I don't like? What part of chicken I don't like?
What
The
part?
foot.
Foot.
Yeah, I tried chicken foot yesterday. I think it's because I'm not used to it. I couldn't do it, but yeah.
Well, chicken foot is nice in soup piece.
It was in soup. I still didn't like it, yeah.
It even come on the local TV.
Yeah. You've been on local TV, yeah?
Yeah, Neddy restaurant.
How long's this shop been like this?
Him been more than 20 years him doing this, you know, but him been done the further part of the community that we're coming from first, 2nd Street, till him come to here, so till him
Yeah.
come to 4th Street.
Well, this is more of a main street, so
Yeah, the
more
main
people
street, so
passing
more
by you.
people, yeah.
Yeah.
You got more customers. Which part of the chicken you want?
Alright, we got thigh.
Thai.
Yeah.
Neddy,
A lot of juicy meat on the thigh. There you go.
Anything for you?
yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah, man. Anything for me, Neddy, man. I want to man, Neddy, man. Anything for me, my boy.
Thank you.
That's here. You put what you want. The sauce.
Do you know what?
Local sauce.
I'm just going to respect it as it is. If I need to come back for hot sauce, I will. That's where the dogs hang out too. If I was a dog, I'd hang out by the fried chicken. Right. Jamaican Trenchtown food review. We're going to find a little spot, quiet, shady spot.
Yeah.
Hello, bro.
No.
We're going to find a little shady spot, and let's talk about this fried chicken. That looks good, man.
Yeah,
it looks
man.
juicy, but it
Juicy
looks
and
crispy.
nice. Crispy.
Yeah,
When you taste it, you will taste it, the flavor.
yeah. Did we get a spoon, a fork?
Yeah, get far.
We got it all sorted. Do you know what, Peter? People told me not to come to certain areas of Jamaica. Trenchtown was one of them. I feel safer than some places in the UK
Yeah,
because
man.
the people are so welcoming.
Yeah, man, and the people them heart welcome, man. And when
Yeah.
you really touch here and feel the vibes, you know the authentic living, what we do, the culture.
Yeah.
You see what we do every day. So visit it, you can see the lifestyle of everything we do.
Yeah.
You see it. Don't you worry about nothing. No one will chop. It's only gang fuel. And the gangsters know the gangsters. The next part of the community.
Okay, yeah. What
Where-
defines it as the next part?
Yeah,
What
we're more
changes?
peaceful.
Okay, yeah.
This part is more upscale.
Okay, yeah. This is the Beverly Hills of Trenchtown.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got a big building there. That's the church, yeah?
Up that part is Beverly Hills. This part is Beverly Hills. Around that part is Beverly Hills.
Yeah.
Where no gunshot fire.
Okay, but back over there,
Yeah, but back and the other streets were
yeah,
show you earlier.
a bit more tasty.
Yeah, a bit more tasty.
You do tours for other people if they come in?
Yeah, man, I do tours like whenever I get some.
Yeah. So if people come to the bar, which is on the corner,
Corner at Chap Court. Normally you will see me there.
okay,
When
you're
I'm not working, so
So-
we mingle and we get to know each other and know around
nice.
Trenchtown and Jamaica.
So if they come to the bar, or they come to the studio,
Yeah.
the One Brink studio,
One ring student.
and they ask for Peter,
Peter, yeah.
he'll give you this proper bespoke tour
Yeah.
at Trenchtown. Bless up.
Bless up.
There's the curry.
Yeah, the curry goat.
Yeah.
This is how they grow in Jamaica.
They grow on the streets of Trenchtown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have a goat pen nearby.
Yeah, yeah.
Here and over here.
Have they escaped or are they just
No,
free
they let
range?
them on free range.
Free range goats on the streets of Trenchtown.